Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today's bonus video is part of my D-Stash giveaway. These polishes have been swatched on my channel or swatched in general on swatch sticks. I've also done swatch dots on the bottles. Some of these polishes may have been worn by me or some of them may have never been worn by anybody. But if you're interested in these polishes, what you'll do is you'll need to be a subscriber to my channel, living in the United States so that I can ship them to you. You need to be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. And lastly, you just need to leave me a comment down below and let me know that you're interested in these polishes. So today I have 6 of the Revlon Parfumerie polishes, and then to fill it in to make it 8 polishes, I'm tossing in a couple of LA Colors Color Last polishes, and we'll just go ahead and get started with these. This is called Ever After Insane Topper. That's so pretty. And we also have Ruby. I had 2 of these. So the other one's in another giveaway. So the Parfumerie ones, let's see. Okay, the names are right on top. That makes it really nice. This is Surf Spray. Then we've got Fresh Linen, Wild Violets, Winter Mint, and to me this looks like an indie polish. And I just, think that's so cool. We got Lavender Soap and then Beachy. So that is it for this giveaway. Like I said, if you're interested, leave me a comment down below. I will be getting in touch with the winner. And that is it for me today. So until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.